Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Your time is valuable, and I'm truly grateful you've chosen to spend a few minutes here with me. If you're feeling stressed today, I hope these words bring you a little peace and a little strength. 5 things you should do when you're feeling stressed. Stress is a part of life. Everyone experiences it at some point, but stress doesn't have to control you. Sometimes the smallest actions can make the biggest difference. Here are 5 simple things you can do whenever life feels too heavy. 1. Take a deep breath. When stress takes over, your mind starts racing. Stop for a moment, close your eyes if you can, and take a slow, deep breath. Breathe in hope, breathe out tension. You don't have to solve everything right now. One calm breath can remind your mind that you are safe. 2. Step away for a few minutes. Not every problem needs an immediate answer. Walk outside, stretch your body, look at the sky, the trees, or simply feel the fresh air. Even 5 minutes away from the pressure can help you return with a clearer mind and a stronger heart. 3. Talk to someone you trust. You don't have to carry every burden alone. A friend, a family member, or someone who truly listens can help more than you realize. Sometimes speaking your worries out loud makes them feel lighter. Asking for support is a sign of courage, not weakness. 4. Focus on what you can control. Stress often grows when we worry about things we cannot change. Instead of thinking about everything that could go wrong, focus on the next small step you can take. One task, one decision, one positive action. Progress is built one step at a time. 5. Be kind to yourself. You are human. It's okay to feel tired. It's okay to make mistakes. You don't need to be perfect to be worthy. Speak to yourself with the same kindness you would offer someone you love. Your mind needs encouragement, not criticism. Remember this. Stress is temporary, but your strength is real. Every difficult day will pass, every storm will end, and every sunrise brings another chance to begin again. If these words helped you today, I hope you'll carry them with you wherever you go. Take care of yourself, keep moving forward, and never forget that even on your hardest days, you are stronger than you think. Thank you for listening, and I wish you peace, strength, and a beautiful day ahead.